Hello everyone, welcome to another session of cyber coding. In this session, we will be learning about Python comments. In the previous section, in the previous session, we have learned a little bit about Python comments. We have seen a little bit of overview, but now we will be learning Python comments in the depth and in detail. So I'll teach you everything. Firstly, let's see about Python comments. So what are Python comments? These comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. So comments doesn't have anything to do with your code. It can be related to your code and it can also be not related to your code. So Python comments just explain the Python code. Comments just explain the Python code, and comments make the code readable. It makes it much efficient. It makes it look much neater. Okay, so let's move ahead. So how is a comment created? So comment starts with a hash key hash, and Python will ignore them. When a line starts with hash, rest of the line is ignored by Python, as Python gets to know that a line which is starting with a hash is a comment. For example, as you can see over here, I have written hash is this is a comment, and at the bottom I have written print hello world. So alt plus shift plus F10, I'll run this, enter, and you can see at the bottom hello world. This is my output. So this is how a comment works. So let's move ahead. Common Comments can be placed at the end of a line, and Python will ignore the rest of the line. So as you can see in the example, print hello world. So hash, this is a comment. So the comments begins at the end of the print statement. So let me once run this example and show how does it looks. Okay, so here you can see print hello world hash, this is a comment. Okay, so just like it, let's check it out. Yeah, you can see I've got the output as hello world. So comments can be at the side of the line, also at the end of the line also, it doesn't matter. So let's move ahead. A comment does not have to be text that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. So the comment can be also written in the form of print statement, but only condition is that it must have a hash key at the beginning of the statement, so that the Python does not print that statement. Let's check this example by executing. So you can see this is hash print hello world, and at the bottom it's print cheers mate. So let's run this code. Yeah, here as you can see I've got the output as cheers mate. So this is how this works. And Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. So Python doesn't have syntax for comments, and you doesn't need any kind of syntax for declaring multi-line comments. You can just use hash in each line. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert hash for each line. Yes. So example is, this is a comment hash, in the next line it's hash written in the next line it's hash more than just one line. So Python is going to ignore this is a comment written in more than just one line, these three lines, because it has hash at the beginning of each line, and the Python is going to print hello world. So let's check how this example works. See, as you can see, this is a comment written in more than just one line. Okay, now let me run it. At the bottom you can see I've got hello world as the output. Python has ignored all these three lines because it has hash in the beginning of each line and has printed the print hello world statement. Or not quite as intended, you can use a multi-line string. Since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string. So first of all, what is a multi-line string? These are the triple quotes in your code, and you can place the comment inside it. So all you need to do is, if you don't want to use a hash key, you can use triple quotes. If you don't want to, if your comment is a little big, so you don't want hash key at beginning of every line, so you can use triple quotes at the starting of the comment and the end of the comment. All you need to do is you need to place your comment inside this triple quotes. So let's see how this works. This is the example. This is a comment written in more than just one line. Let's see how it runs. So this is like this. This is a comment written in more than just one line. It has triple quotes at the beginning and at the end. So Python is going to ignore this block of comment because this is considered as comment because it has triple quotes at the beginning, at the end, and it's going to print hello world. So let's see how it prints hello world. I've got here comments hello world. As long as the string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code but then ignore it, and you have made a multi-line comment. So that's how a multi-line comment works. So that's it, guys. Hope you have learned everything in depth about comments. This is all you need to know about comments in Python. I have teased you everything. So in the next session, we are going to learn about variables in depth, about the types of variables, how they are declared, about, and we will do live coding of variables, and we will declare live variables, and we'll with examples we'll check it out everything in depth. So thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.